Good day, all my students, all my scholars, all my learners, all my parents, all my grandparents, and to the whole community, especially those who wants to listen with wisdom and not criticism. Please watch out for my next edition of Morning Mental Moments with your autistic mentor and teacher, Isabella Jansen, when I am going to discuss how you, as a neurotypical person, can help your autistic adult, family member, wife, husband, spouse, friend, that had a late diagnosis or that's living in trauma currently. What can you do to make their lives 2% better? Tune into Schoolwork All-in-One Fun with Bella and dare to listen and lend a helping hand.